It didn't seem like a week away as the week began, watching the welders once again working on the apron. These grills and the underlying supports have received a great deal of attention. Some finishing work will be seen this week on the railings surrounding the two finger docks, but overall, the results have been excellent. The situation is not entirely the same in respect of the heated sidewalk sections around the passenger terminal. Some sections poured in July have since been removed, and others uncompleted. On Thursday, the situation worsened as more sections poured weeks ago were removed. There must be a sound engineering reason for this work, but it can only be considered a setback for the project and the team. This was the situation as the week drew to a close on Friday. To raise spirits a little, it can be pointed out that during the week, the team from Lennox Fence finalised some of the small sections of the fencing and railing around the docks that required completion. There seems to be hardly a limit to the amount of cabling and communications that can be pulled through the manholes and conduits associated with the dock. Much of the latest work appears to be associated with the resource building and the new transformer. Railings seen on the dock this week may well be intended for the Dolphin. Friday afternoon brought the intriguing sight of new turbidity curtains being prepared for deployment. What remains uncertain is just where they will be located and to what end. This will eventually become clear. In the meanwhile, the task was simply to prepare them for deployment. next week should produce some answers. Thanks for watching this week's update. I hope you'll join me next week and consider subscribing to ensure that you're kept up to speed with developments.